Hi, I'm Gretel Killeen, host of Traitors, and we have never had a Traitors Australia shot in this location before. Surrounded by the ocean, the farmland and the mountains. And now, welcome to the manor. Come inside. This is our Victorian manor. Its history is chaotic, sad and profound. In fact, many people believe this manor to be haunted. I think it is too. This is the sunroom, and I have to tell you, it is littered, as is all of the house, with Easter eggs, but you're going to have to find them. This is the bar, where people will gather for cups of tea and gossip, and maybe a drink or two. This is the billiard room, the perfect place for strategizing. Oh, is this a picture of one of my relatives? I'm talking about the tiger. I haven't a clue who that bloke is. Hello. And this is the round table, where 22 players will decide who wins up to $250,000. Amazing.